Alright guys, my package from Ericsurf6 has finally arrived. There's the Japanese stamp. There's his return address, but see, I blanked it out, but from Ericsurf6 himself. So let's open this thing up and see all I got. Alright, first thing is the puzzles game that he showed you. And, alright, this is just the instructions on how to do the puzzle. So that's very neat. Can't wait to put that to, look at that. Oh, the floating coins. These are very cool. They're the floating 1 yen coins made out of aluminum. Alright, that is sweet. Oh, what else? The sticker pack with a special surprise. Not gonna show you that. Oh, Stretchy Man. He's kinda stuck to the plastic. Alright. He is very acrobatic. Rattlesnake eggs. Whoa! Well, that was lame. So, I don't know how to set it, but it's probably something like that. I'm gonna twist it, and so I'll have to read over them. And last, not least, the big katsu. I have no clue how it's gonna taste, but I'm gonna try it. Not right now though, but I will try it. So here are, what's the bag? All the things I got from Ericsurf6, man, or Ericsurf6. Thank you guys so much for watching, and especially want to thank you, Ericsurf6, for holding these contests and sending these prizes. So thanks very much.